Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of these pants that are strategically and specifically designed for motorcycle wear or when out riding a scooter on the highway because I just want to take care of the legs. So some cool call outs. I don't know if they come in a couple different colors. The black looks fantastic. So to start, we'll start at the bottom. So the bottom is a tapered leg. If you're riding a motorcycle, or something like that, you don't want to get caught up in the chains and everything, you have this tapered leg design. These pants also have pockets, reinforced pockets on the knees because they also come with these padded, yet soft, but padded knee pads, and there's also pads on the inside for the old hips. Both hips, they are removable. They are, but they kind of help. They kind of help with if something happens and you get laid out and you want to kind of protect a little bit more, you have that extra cushion. So both knees, both hip areas. The pants have belt loops because even in this example, no belt is being worn, just from an example standpoint, but belt loops all the way around. Then you have reinforced pockets here. You have a second one here on the inside, kind of like a change pocket. You also have kind of cargo style pockets here that are all reinforced. Then you also have closed pockets. Again, closed, these come with snaps, so you can close them up, especially when you're riding. You don't want stuff to just fly out, just depending on, you're moving around stuff. You want to be able to lock your pockets down. It is a zipper fly, and then it has a 2 clasp on the fly at the top. Give some close-ups. The material here in the leg, especially because if you're riding a motorcycle, you're going to be more likely in this position. This is strategically made to allow some stretch, but is also reinforced in case there is a fall. This kind of gives you an idea of what they look like up close. The material on this is not just regular old, cotton or anything. This is made out of more of a heat resistant and let's just say that, cut resistant material. So if there was a fall, the abrasion that these hold up to is like second to none. So it's not like something that's, cotton pants or whatever, and they just rip to shreds. These are highly reinforced, and the material on it, like I mentioned, has to do with heat prevention. Also, because if you're riding and your legs are near exhaust, that is going to be possibly more than likely a concern. So having that all down here is also very, very nice. This is a close-up of what the double clasp. So you have 1, 2 clasps here. Also, from a sizing chart, it is right on point. So that pouch, here's the other knee pad, comes right out. Wearing these without the knee pads, even if the knee pads or hip pads are in, very comfortable, has sort of that like fitted jean style design. All in all, a solid pair of black pants. I mean, they look nice, but they also function nice, which is the objective, especially if you're gonna be riding. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you try these on? Tell us what you think. Give an overview of our reinforced, heat-resistant, tear-resistant pants that come with the built-in knee and hip pads. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. Actually, about these very impressive and comfortable pants. We'll talk to you soon.